Want to start designing logos, posters, or illustrations like a pro, but don't know how to install Adobe Illustrator? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to download and install Adobe Illustrator step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. First, open your web browser and go to Adobe's official website. From there, navigate to the Adobe Illustrator page. Once you're on the Illustrator page, click on the free trial button or choose a plan that fits your needs. Adobe offers plans for individuals, students, teachers, and businesses. Next, sign in with your Adobe ID. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily create one by following the on-screen instructions. After signing in, select your subscription plan. Even for the free trial, Adobe will ask for payment details, but you won't be charged if you cancel before the trial ends. Now, Adobe will prompt you to download the Creative Cloud desktop app. Download and install it on your computer. Once the Creative Cloud app is installed, open it and sign in again if required. Go to the Apps tab, find Adobe Illustrator, and click the Install button. Wait for the installation to finish. When it's done, you can launch Adobe Illustrator directly from the Creative Cloud app or from your computer's Applications folder. And that's it. Adobe Illustrator is now ready to use. Now you're all set to start creating amazing designs with Adobe Illustrator. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy, beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.